Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the hand gesture recognition system and virtual voice assistant. Okay, so in that project it will open the chatbot and the laptop front camera. User can easily handle the mouse using a hand gesture, and if we click on the speak button then the model will take the voice input. So let's give input.
Hello, how are you?
And model will recognize that particular input. It will give the reply like, hi there, how can I help? Then click on the speak button and just give the input.
Please open Chrome.
So model will listen and it will open the Chrome, like whatever user say in the input. Like that you can also easily control the mouse, and it will take the voice input and will give the output. So this is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.